Welcome back, party people, in the place to be. You got me, you got the Air 3S. We are at the Blanco River in a ducked off spot, and we are going to explore the Blanco River today. So without further ado, let's get to the money. And the drone is up, people! Let's get this thing up, people. And like I said, we are going to explore the Blanco River. So let's get on up. Let's turn. And there you go, people. So, I think I will be able to get a little bit low when we first get to going, since I'm so close right here. So let's drop it like it's hot. Let's be intentional and get this thing in the middle. And let's explore until we start to lose signal, people. Now this is the Blanco River. And we haven't received any big rain yet. As of right now, this is March 17th on St. Patrick's Day, 2025. And yeah, we haven't received any big rain yet, so it's a little dried up, people. But we're gonna explore this nice high quality area while we can, down low. Make it do what it do, baby. Make it do what it do. We got us a 32 ND filter on for the sunny day. And as you can see, the foliage hasn't grown all the way in yet, but it will look a little different. Probably Mayish. Right now, we're gonna enjoy this nice high quality, man. Look at this nice high quality. Don't get no better than this. It's like you walking yourself around your ATV. Right in this nice high quality area. Man, we're doing good on signal. We're 1,900 feet out. Like I say, we just gonna enjoy this nice little area cruising. That little agua. That little agua. Take us a nice little look down this little ravine. Nice little area, y'all. Blanco, Texas. Look it up. It's right outside Fredericksburg, Texas. Yeah, we got us a nice little area. We gonna just. Alright, losing a little signal now. Got 3 bars. So we might have to pop it on up. A few. We're gonna wait till it starts getting a little choppy. There we go. It's getting a little choppy. We're gonna keep on going. There it is. Let's get a little altitude. We can raise it on up a little bit. There we go. And we're going to keep on following this old river bank, little people. Getting a little choppy. Oh, you almost got hit by them power lines, people. You got to watch out. You got to watch out for them power lines. Drone can't see that stuff. these DJI drones are nice, high quality, but they ain't nothing perfect. Nothing is perfect. Oh, look at that water, man. Look at that. Too bad we can't drop it like it's hot because we don't lose signal, but it's nice, high quality bird's eye views. Look at that. Yeah, let's go and pop on up. Let's go and use that 3X. Bam, people. Bam, that's where we at. Gonna take us a look around. And then 3X. Nice high quality Tejas. Blanco Tejas. Gonna take us a little quick look around. So like I say, man, get out there and explore your area, your neck of the woods right around. Once again, I was headed to Fredericksburg. Let's pop on up out of there. Headed to Fredericksburg to check on a project. And I said, let me pop this old drone out. Don't take me old lunch break and pop this drone out instead of feeding myself with that old poisoning type food. Quick food. Let me go on and just pop this old drone out and get a drone out view of this nice high quality area. Look at this, man. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. There's a little signal when it's gone. Gotta get a little higher. Don't pop it on up. Because again, let's look at this Texas terrain. Because again, you know, we got that Air 3S, so we are able to, bam, get that 3X. See what it do if we want to come up. Look at that beautiful purple sticking out right there. Look at just like Tejas. We can down and give us a 3X view. Going back to that 1X. So yeah, we're losing signal now. River is dried up right about now, but I am sure once we get a nice little rain, let's do that 3X. Yeah, look at all that, people. Look at that. That boy's dried up. In certain parts of Texas, baby, it don't take but a teaspoon of rain for it to flood. I said a teaspoon. Out here in this hill country. It might be a little bit different, but you know your boy from H-Town, Houston, and that's one of those places it don't take but a teaspoon of rain, and we up under water. Bam, back into that 1X. So I'm not gonna do like I did with Canyon Lake. I flew all the way out and it took 9 minutes to return to home. So I'm gonna turn this thing around right now. Gonna get us a 3X so we can see this beautiful terrain in Texas. Go on and turn this thing around. That's right, look at that. Look at that beautiful, beautiful view, people. Might as well turn it around and look at this beautiful, beautiful terrain that we have. on out. You can see the road over there. We're gonna follow this thing on back. Blanco River, baby. I'm gonna pop on this 3X on the sole. One little purple tree sticking on out. Bam. We gonna call it what they call a day, people. Gonna pop it on up. Get us one more shot of this. The spot that actually has water. Hit that 3X. Yeah. The spot that actually has water. That 3X view, that turn and reveal, look at that. Let's get up out of that. See how low we can go. We start losing signal. Watch out for any power lines. Oh, losing signal. Gotta rise on up, people. Gotta rise on up. This old flyover, this layer right here, baby, this nice. That's high quality area. Signal. Tilt that old gimbal down. What do you know? Got us a nice little overview. Headed on back to the home spot, baby. That's a strong wind signal, that's alright. Alright. We got the Air 3S. It ought to be able to handle that strong wind. Slow reveal. There we go. It's gonna drop it like it's hot. Because I believe we were able to fly around this way. This is nice, people. This is nice. Nice to be able to get out of here and check out this little scenery with your drone. Off in a ducked off spot. You not bothering nobody, and ain't nobody gonna bother you with this. That's our quality, baby. Oh, shit. Almost got taken out by power lines, baby. We made it. Let's go some more. We see you this time. We see you this time. Alright, let's go drop it down now. There we go. There we go. Gonna drop it down. We down to the floor mat, people. We down to the floor mat. You don't get no better than that, baby. Look at that. We down to the floor mat. Getting us some good footage. Getting us some good old footage. You gotta take advantage of your time, people. Gotta take advantage of your time. So we're gonna do a 3 to 4 part series on this old Blanco River, just like we did on Canyon Lake. And I promise you, we will get to the part where there's actually water. We're gonna pop this thing on up, give it some more altitude, turn it on around, and like always, let the drone do the work. And return to home, people.
Return to home.
12 seconds.
Landing.
1 second. Here we go. We're landing. Another beautiful landing. You know what I always say? Forget all the fancy smancy. Get out there and fly your drone and have fun safely. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer. For the next episode, peace.